An R data file stores saved objects and data structures from the R programming language. Statistical computing results preserved for future analysis sessions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load, analyze, or troubleshoot these statistical data files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful RD file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. RD files are documentation files or saved data objects from the R programming language used for statistical computing and data analysis. They store R objects including data frames, matrices, vectors, and model results in a serialized binary, or ASCII format, for later retrieval. R data files use R's internal serialization format, storing S-expression data structures with type tags and attributes. They can be saved in binary or ASCII format using readRDS, or save functions and include compression support using zip, zip2, or xzed algorithms. The RD format has primary linkage to the R application by our core team. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows can show basic information, but fully understanding the data requires the program that created it. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your RD file and click Open With. If R is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If the RD file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the RD format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, loading in R. Open R or RStudio and use the load function with the file path to restore saved R objects into your workspace. For RDS files, use readRDS followed by the file name. The loaded objects will appear in your R environment, ready for analysis and manipulation. Next, viewing contents. After loading the R data file, use the ls function to see all loaded objects in your workspace. Use str followed by the object name to inspect its structure. Use summary for statistical summaries and head to preview the first few rows of data frame objects. Finally, exporting to CSV. Load the R data file in RStudio, then use the write.csv function to export data frames to CSV format for use in Excel or other applications. For complex objects, use readRDS to create portable single object files or convert to JSON using the JSON-Lite package. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.